maybe we just start like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No.
Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. We are back in the building with Outre Perfect Hairline, and her name is 𝐤𝐼𝐬𝐬. When I tell you 𝐤𝐼𝐬𝐬 eats, baby, she did not come to play. This is definitely a showstopper wig. Look at this lace. What knots? This is the overall construction. It does come with 2 combs on the side, a pair of drawstring, and elastic band, so you can wear it glueless. So I did plop her on my mannequin head so you guys can see the full, 360 of the curls and the baby hair. These curls, look at what it's giving. Juicy, full of life and body. It is a little shiny. But this hairline is what's tea. Do y'all see this hairline? Now I did go in and hot comb it so you guys can see it in its entirety. But this is the parting space. You really have more room to part in the middle than the sides. So it's definitely giving middle part with edges, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and hot comb the baby hairs back into the hairline so you can see it. And when I tell you, Outre, y'all did the dang thing on this hairline. Look at this. All right, so let's put her on my head to see what she looks like before I go in and tint it. Now, I did go ahead and do a little bit more plucking off camera, but this is what the wig is getting when I first put it on. And baby, I did not know she was going to eat down like this. I started feeling myself automatically. I was like, yes, 𝐤𝐼𝐬𝐬, you got me feeling like that girl, period. Look at these curls. Look at this hairline. All right, so we're going to go ahead and tint the lace using Kiss Color's tinting spray in the shade medium brown. Don't mind them holes in the lace. I would never, ever again pluck my wig on my mannequin head. But y'all, look at this, y'all. This spray got all over the hair strand, so I had to take a makeup wipe and just sit there and wipe that off. But it comes off, I promise you. Look. Y'all see that? Back clean. Boom. So I'm going to go ahead and hot comb this hairline, and look how good it looks. It literally looks like I didn't bleach them knots. I did not. I just put tinting spray on it, and just the lace overall in and of itself look amazing. Y'all see this? This looks like it's literally growing out of my scalp. I did not use any product on my hair, like wax or anything. This is just the straight hair, and it's giving fresh relaxation, and I love that for me. We're going to go ahead and cut off the lace. Like I said, I always cut fairly close to the hairline because the less the lace to work with, the better, okay? So I make sure I'm also creating jagged edges so it looks more natural. To get started with the install process, we're going to go ahead and get our Kiss lace spray. That is what I have been gravitating towards lately. I do layer up this product because, like I said, I'm going outside in the streets. It's humid, and I don't want my wig slipping and sliding off, so I do use about 2 to 3 layers. I wait till it's tacky, and then I just lay down the wig, and boom. I also press it down with my fingers, and I use the back of my comb to adhere that lace to my skin, and we're going to dry it down with some more air, and we repeat until the entire lace is intact. Now I do want to say that I do have the elastic band on in this clip. So with that being said, will this be big head friendly? I'm not 100% sure. If you would cut it out, I feel like you have a little bit more room. But if you are my girls with the, more of a bigger head, I probably wouldn't say get it, okay? I wouldn't say get it at all because you probably won't have no room. Felt like I did not have to cut, more lace off towards the ear tabs because it really fit around my ear perfectly. So it was just perfect from ear to ear. So I really love that about this. Now that everything is laid down, I'm going in and spraying a little bit of that spray on the back of my comb and pressing it into my lace. This way, if there's any line of demarcation, it gets rid of that automatically. I feel like this color from the Kiss Tintation is the best one that I feel like is not too warm. I feel like it goes perfect with my complexion, so I like the medium brown shade. So I am going to double band, and I'm going to leave this on for about 2 minutes. I mean 10. I said 2. 10, y'all. So we're gonna take both those bands off, and baby, don't play with it. What lace, okay? It just looks amazing. I'm going in with my brush. I am gonna switch to my unbrush later on, but I'm just using this brush I got from Nidula, and we're just gonna brush this out because yes, now I was getting a little bit of tangling doing this. This is synthetic, y'all already know you're gonna get tangling with it. As far as shedding, I did get shedding because I did go in myself and pluck. Decided to do a deep side part. When I tell y'all I'm sick of middle parts, I think I done wore the heck out of middle parts. I cannot stand them. So we're gonna do a deep side part. I'm a little rusty when it comes to my side parts because I've just abandoned it and went to the middle part. So we gonna get ourselves together. Maybe not in this video, but this is just gonna be good enough for me. I'm gonna take my hot comb and make sure everything is laid down. We don't need no lumps in the back of our head. You don't want nobody coming up asking you, are you wearing a helmet? Okay. So I did go ahead and part out for just one baby hair. I know y'all probably say you ruined the wig by doing the baby hairs. I know. But yeah, y'all know we gotta do at least one baby hair. So took my 1-inch flat iron and curled towards my face. I'm spraying a little bit of that got2b glue spray on that edge brush, and we just gonna swoop the doop until I get my baby hair to my liking. Like I said, I was just doing one. I could have did two. I feel like two would have looked better, but it's already done now, you know. Going in with my Ruby Kisses foundation, we are defining that part just so it can look a little bit more realistic. Like I said, I don't like my parting to be too light because then it's going to give wig vibes. I'm trying to make my wigs look as natural as possible because we already know it's a wig, but we don't want it to look like one. So we just going in again to brush it out. And I do have my unbrush, and I think I'm gonna hot comb this section. I don't know, I'm gonna do a little bump over there because I don't do it on the left side, but I do it on the right side. And this wig does have a little bit of shine to it, so if you want to dual it down, you can use some dry shampoo, baby powder, but I'm gonna just leave it as it is. So lastly, I'm just playing with the curls. There's so many ways you can manipulate the curls to sit and lay, and I'm just obsessed with that factor about Ciara. Ciara is that girl, okay? I'm gonna give her a 9.5 out of 10. I love the texture of the hair, which is giving like yaki. I love the density. It's not too thick. She is summer ready. She's not too long. She's flirty. She's cute. She's that girl, as you can see. I'm obsessed with her. Of course, I did get shedding. I did pluck her, so it does shed. Tangling, I definitely got tangling when I first went into detangler, but y'all, she eats. Other than them, you know, not giving us enough parting space on the sides, that's why I docked a few points, and it being a little bit shiny, a 9.5 out of 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, y'all, in the description if you would cop this wig yourself. I'll be sure to link everything in the description section. Until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.